Welcome to Storytime Land. I'm here to help you to get relaxed and get ready for a deep sleep. If you're tired and need relaxation and a deep sleep, then this is the right place for you. Just before starting the process, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so we'll receive a notification as soon as I share a new video. Let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you're breathing, imagine that you're filling your body with peace and relaxation. As you breathe out, imagine that you're releasing all of your stress and tension. Continue to breathe deeply and slowly for a few minutes. Focus on your breath and let all other thoughts and worries fade away. Now, imagine that you are in a peaceful place. It could be a beach, a forest, or even your own bedroom. Whatever place you choose, make sure that it is a place where you feel safe and relaxed. Take some time to explore this place in your mind. Notice the sights, the sounds, and the smells. Feel the sun on your skin and the breeze in your head. When you're ready, lay down on the grass or in the sand. Close your eyes and continue to breathe deeply and slowly. Let yourself drift off to sleep, knowing that you are safe and relaxed. Now, if you're ready for this story, let's start. The night was dark and silent. The stars shone brightly in the sky, and the moon casts a silvery light over the land. A long figure stood on a hilltop, looking out at the view. The figure was a woman, and she was beautiful. She had long, flowing hair and piercing blue eyes. She is wearing a white gown that billowed in the wind. The woman sighed and closed her eyes. She took a deep breath of fresh air, and she felt her worries start to melt away. She was at peace. She opened her eyes and looked around again. She could see for miles in every direction. The hills rolled away in the distance, and the valleys were filled with trees and flowers. It was a beautiful sight. The woman smiled. She loved this place. It was her special place where she could come to relax and escape from the world. She turned and started to walk down the hill. She took her time, enjoying the feel of grass beneath her feet and the breeze in her hair. She walked. She thought about her life. She had been through a lot in her life, but she had always managed to find happiness. She was grateful for all that she had, and she was determined to make the most of every day. She reached the bottom of the hill and started to walk through the trees. The path was narrow, and the branches reached out to brush against her face. She closed her eyes and let sound of leaves rustling in the wind lull her into a sense of peace. She walked for a long time until she came to the clearing. In the middle of the clearing was a small cottage. The cottage was made of wood and it had a thatched roof. There was a light in the window and smoke was coming from the chimney. The woman smiled. She knew this cottage. It belonged to her grandmother. She walked up to the cottage and knocked on the door. The door opened and her grandmother stood there. She was a small woman with white hair and kind face. "Grandmother," the woman said, "I'm home." Her grandmother smiled and hugged her. "I'm so glad you're here," she said. The woman went inside and sat down by fire. The grandmother gave her a cup of tea and they talked for a long time. The woman told her grandmother about her life and her grandmother listened patiently. When the woman was finished, her grandmother smiled. "You've done well," she said. "I'm proud of you." The woman smiled back. She was glad to hear grandmother's words. They talked for a while longer, and then the woman went to bed. She fell asleep as soon as her head hit the pillow. She dreamed of her grandmother and of the cottage in the clearing. She dreamed of the peace and happiness that she felt there. When she woke up in the next morning, she felt refreshed and happy. She knew that she would always have her grandmother's cottage to come to when she needed a place to relax and escape from the world. I hope you enjoy this sleepy story for adults. I hope it helped you to relax and fall asleep. Thank you so much for your support. I would love to hear your thoughts and insights in the comments. Wish you a wonderful night. See you soon.